mata es. Oke, boy.
Rover, it's the Fraxidus.
Tikus makan nih. Patah-patah sedikit, boy. Kita paksakan, boy. Patah-patah sedikit kita paksakan nih, boy. Mati. Nah.
Embracing change. Shadow descends. Where are you going?
Diangkat.
Doesn't matter. There it is. Embracing change.
Berani mengangkat saya.
One with the sound of Fraxidus. It's them again. They've set traps all around the luminous shore. They must have anticipated your arrival.
Oke. Kita gelut saja lah intinya, let's go.
The entrance is sealed. It's the photon barrier, another invention from the court of Savante. Specific steps must be followed to undo the barrier. Rover, I'll guide you.
Tak bisa bahasa Inggris mah. Oke, tutorial. Oh, intinya. Oke. Kita coba.
Use long-range weapons on the photon vaults to cut off its energy.
Melee itu bagaimana? Dipukul ya? Dipukul. Wah, kalau seperti ini berjarak jauh ya. Sebentar, boy. Harus dipukul ini.
Once we've reached the cave's end, we'll enter the domain of Mount Firmament. Proceed with caution.
Oke, dan ya. Kita belum rendernya, boy. Apa-apalah, kata-kata sedikit. Yang terpenting kita gelut dahulu. Like tak perlu bergelut nomor 1. Asik, bisa keluar.
So it can't hurt me.
Wow, it's beautiful. Asik.
Time on Mount Firmament used to simply flow slower than in the outside world. Visitors were safe as long as they remained within the temporal barrier.
Break, gitu rusak tolonglah, menyingkir sebentar.
But what we're seeing now is different. The flow of time has gone haywire. This is what we call temporal disruptions.
Break. Ya, belum ini boy, belum berjalan FPS-nya mereka. Loading semua.
What was once slow and steady has become chaotic and turbulent. Some areas are frozen in time, while others speed up or slow down unpredictably. No one knows how much they'll age after leaving Mount Firmament, but aging from youth to old age may be a blessing compared to the unknown fate that awaits. Leaving Mount Firmament could turn any mortal to dust in just a moment. These poor creatures, trapped in the temporal disruption, are the most pitiful of all. Their bodies and minds have been ravaged by the chaotic time, leaving them in unimaginable suffering. So, looks like the Fraxidus did manage to capture our sentinel, leading to the temporal disruptions we are facing now. I had wished that my theories would turn out wrong. As expected, my terminal isn't working. We can't reach Jinshi. The temporal disruption is preventing it from functioning. We can't waste a moment. Jinshi's fate isn't the only one at stake. All the inhabitants of Mount Firmament are in danger. We need to hurry to Hongjian, a town nestled at the heart of Mount Firmament. Jinshi would likely pass through there on her search for the Sentinel.
And here we go again. Bisa dipukul tidak? Ya, tak bisa boy. Ah, kecewa guys. Bisa dipukul. Oke. Wow, salju. Kayak gini bagaikan waktu dihentikan tapi kita bisa bergerak ini. Look, bahkan kelinci pun seimut ini membeku boy. Seperti terhenti bagaikan waktu. Sementara kita bisa bergerak dengan luasa. Mari kita
The
tengok.
temporal disruptions have spared nothing on our way here. Changli, does that mean you're in danger too?
So far, nothing feels out of the ordinary.
Ah,
It seems the Sentinel contained the situation before being fully trapped.
what?
But I don't know how long this stability will hold. If I go down, please, don't worry about me. You need only focus on what you have to do.
Oke. Gak perlu dikhawatirkan boy. Ya sudah, kalau kau pingsan tak kau tinggalkan ya. Dan patah-patah ini FPS. Sebentar kita cek FPS dulu boy. Terus FPS. Ah, crack 20, 15. Wah, rata-ratanya asal. Ini sepertinya aku buat video FPS nya juga terbawa ini. Sebentar. FPS nya boy. Oke, karena ini kita coba ini kan quality on FPS area, special effect medium ya, belumnya on foto FPS tak perlu lah. Oke. Nah yang ini kita naikkan sedikit. Ya jangan terlalu drop sekali lah. Dropnya boy. Nah wes 30. Oke. Sampai ini. Oke. Langsung saja boy. Saatnya kita membuka map baru. Tepung asik. Oke, terbuka sekarang. Waduh, alamak, luasnya. Wah, tak tahu ini aku bisa atau tidak ini. Tapi let's go lah. FPS walaupun drop tak masa ini ya, awalnya kalau aku tidak record atau buat video tidak akan seperti ini biasanya. Apa ini yang aku lihat? Klik. Sudahlah, skip. Klik grafiknya. CC kadang. Low ya low, tapi jangan terlalu low sekali anak muda. Dan ya mati lampu, bagus. Alamak. Well lah dalam mati lampu. Tes 1 2. Aman tidak ini? Halo. Marah paman lah.
Leave it to me.
Beku boy.
One with the sounds.
No, semua orang beku.
One with the sounds.
Iyo, tidak aku nyalakan AC-nya, mah.
Shall whisper.
Hai.
How dare you?
Let me be your blade. Different!
Sebentar guys. Sebentar ya guys ya. Udah di sini. Oke. Katanya akan enak ya guys ya.
Leave it to me. Endure, defy. One with the sounds.
Synchronization.
How dare you?
Kamu sama lawan.
Dare you?
Synchronization. Resistance. Embracing change.
One with the sounds.
Oke. Good. Ya sekarang karena saya malas jadi percepat saja. Cepet. Oke, let's go. Patah-patah tapi tak apa-apa ya guys ya. Orang-orang ini memukul suatu hal. Dengan orang itu ya. Oke, let's go.
Someone fought here against those Fraxidus.
Must be Jinshi. Her trails led to this location. Using her resonance ability too much would only worsen her condition. But she must have had a reason. Was she helping the people of Hongjian find refuge?
Ntar cari dulu.
Changmei, there are traces here.
They're pointing north. Let's proceed in that direction.
Oke, kita akan ikuti. Sam motor anjing grip. Motor, good. Ada orang yang terluka, dia ingin membunuhnya. Tapi dia membeku. Oh, perjalanan sampai akhir ini boy sepertinya. Apa yang sebenarnya
The
terjadi?
traces disappear by the pond.
Rover, the vase on the stone table seems rather peculiar.
Permisi, alah.
Another photon barrier.
3 photon vaults to break. Rover, use ranged attacks.
Harus dari jarak jauh, boy. Gimana ya? Jarak jauh ini. Oh. Harus berpikir keras, boy.
You two, halt!
Wish.
Hold on.
Orang baik, orang baik.
Lady Xingyi!
Relax, there are honored guests. No need to be tense. In a single day, we've greeted both the Magistrate of Jinzhou and her trusted counselor in Hongzhen. I can only assume something significant happened. It's been a while, Changli. I heard you stepped down from your position and moved to the countryside. And now here we are, meeting again after all this time. For years I lived secluded, no longer concerning myself with the matters beyond Hongzhen. But the current situation in Jinzhou is volatile. It has reunited us in an unpredictable moment. And you, young sir? What shall I call you?
Udin Kennedy bin Junaidi. Bisa kau panggil aku Rover.
My name is Xingyi. Pleased to make your acquaintance. Please follow me this way. It's not safe to talk here.
Oke, kita akan ikuti. Aku harap tidak ada pengkhianat di sini atau penyergapan tiba-tiba. Jangan di kemana? Sebentar, boy. Ini FPS. Bagaimana cara kita berbicara dengan lagi? How to the optional, tapi bagaimana?
I believe you are here for Magistrate Jinxi. The magistrate left Hongzhen about 15 minutes ago. She should be at the Truth Seeker's Pass now.
Berpikir keras.
That's what they call it in Hongzhen. You might know it better as the ruins of a Court of Savante facility. Lady Xingyi, please elaborate.
Sudah terluka dia, boy, tapi diobati oleh Jinxi. Dan dia memiliki apa itu putih-putih.
Madam Magistrate, are you?
I'm fine.
Oh.
How's the situation? Have we evacuated all the civilians?
Yes. Remaining civilians have been counted and escorted to safety.
Good. These hidden chambers should provide some much-needed shelter for them to rest a little. Despite being the Sentinel's appointed resonator, I haven't been able to sense its presence for some time now. I can feel my resonance ability waning, and I get my power from the Sentinel. Lady Xingyi, I need to know where the Sentinel was last seen. I can only fix the temporal disruption within a confined radius. It's already pushing my limits to keep this small pocket of space secure. Mount Firmament is in serious trouble, and we can't waste any more time. We need our Sentinel to stabilize the time flow.
The Sentinel was last seen flying towards Mianlun Chamber, where it would normally rest. The Fraxidus likely swarmed it soon after. But little did they know, we had a defense system in place, built with the help of the court of Savante. It was reactivated as soon as our Sentinel made it back inside. This mechanism has allowed us to locate their troops, and we've already eliminated some of them outside the Mianlun Chamber. To get inside Mianlun Chamber, we have to find the cipher key in Truth Seeker's Pass and unseal it with the Keyforge.
Understood. I will go bring back the cipher key.
You are injured. Please, rest and leave it to me.
Oh, maksakan
The
diri.
Fraxidus will most likely attack this place once I leave. You must stay here and guard it. I implore you, Xingyi. Help me keep our people safe.
Oh, maksakan diri.
Yes.
guys.
I will, Madam Magistrate.
Dan pergi seperti itu saja.
Before I headed to Mount Firmament, the Fraxidus revealed a prophecy from our Sentinel. A fateful clash between the Sentinel and myself that would shape the fate of our city. I never intended to believe their baseless claims, but I was not surprised to hear it. The Sentinel had told me long ago that there would come a day when I surpass it in power. A day when the humans of Jinzhou take control of their own destiny. Once we save the Sentinel from danger, I intend to have a serious conversation with it about this prophecy.
And then she left.
There's still one thing that doesn't add up. How did the Fraxidus kidnap our Sentinel? The Mianlong Chamber was once renovated by the court of Savante.
I'll look into what you said. But once we have the cipher key, the Mianlun Chamber will be left vulnerable to the Fraxidus' potential retaliation.
We must keep them at bay. Rover and I are headed to the Truth Seeker's Pass to meet up with Jingxi. We'll distract the Fraxidus' main forces, giving you an opportunity to stage your ambush.
And the locals will handle the rest.
Let's
I
go.
will send some men to open up the side exit for you. Head south and keep walking a couple of minutes, and you will see the Truth Seeker's Pass downstream.
Thank you, Lady Xingyi. Please, leave it to us.
In this place she was born, and in this place she returns. Our magistrate's fate is bound to Mount Firmament.
Let's go lah. 3 poin boy. Perbaik cincong langsung saja. Mana orangnya? Di sini tak bersihkan sebentar dahulu. Ada ini. Lain lagi. Apapun itu. Hadiah pula. Oke, thank you. Oke, 3 poin. Let's go. Langsung saja tanpa basa-basi. Paham. Let's go. This is it.
Did Xingyi and Jinxi know each other?
Jinxi was chosen as a baby for her resonance ability and raised in City Hall to become the Sentinel's appointed resonator. All the government was there helped care for and teach her at some point, including Lady Xingyi. She grew up with immense responsibilities, forced to suppress her true nature from a young age. Thinking back, Jinxi was only a
Now whisper.
Masih mau bukan apa? Aduh. Boy. Bukan.
Leave it to me.
Pulang ke sini. Oke, kita pada rumahnya boy. Ini transportasi Cepoy. Lanjut ke masa utama. Cukup.
Wind, guide me.
Kita harus menolong warga yang ada di sini. Look, ada yang melayang. Apa itu? Sejauh ini yang terjauh. Let's go.
I assume this is the Truth Seeker's Pass Xing Yi mentioned.
Yes. This should be another chronosorter. It should work in similar ways with the one we saw near the luminous shore. The entrance is built on that cliff, and it's been blocked. We will need to break the 3 photon vaults with ranged attacks first. Nothing. I was wondering, how did the Court of Savante create such an advanced mechanism using the Sentinel's power? Mortals aren't supposed to be able to comprehend it. I've never heard of any human civilization having the ability to manipulate time. Unless the Sentinel willingly taught them. But why? We need to focus on items related to the Court of Savante in Truth Seeker's Pass.
Oke lah, intinya itu aku tahu-tahu apa. Jelas bagaimana caranya itu buat ini kembali lagi. Buka. Oke. Seperti ini. Oh ini.
Good. Did you see the tacitite fulminate on that cliff? Perhaps we can create an opening in this disk with an explosion.
Mantap. Salah. Salah ya? Atau salah saya terpecah. Ini bisa. Sebentar, beri aku waktu berpikir. Aku ini masih gitu. Coba modal. Oke, rusak.
I see. Are we going to aim the disk's opening at the photon vault in the middle?
Nanti mama sabar. Sebentar ganti tim dahulu kita. Ganti ya di pistolnya. Sementara. Oke.
going to aim the discs opening at the photon vault in the middle?
Tuh, maksudnya putar tadi. Oh,
It worked! The opening fits right onto the middle photon vault.
Rover, now we can hit the 3 photon vaults simultaneously.
kita saja nanti dulu. Deploy. Oke. Terbuka.
The blockade has been lifted. Let's go in.
Cherish every gain.
Dia. Mencari. Kenapa harus sedikit serang? Fokus.
Why are there tacit discords here? No. These monsters, they don't look like the usual tacit discords.
These also look like the works of the court of Svante. Did they create these simulated holograms to protect the space?
Serenade! Let the winds roar!
Nowhere to hide. One with the sounds.
Embracing change. Commence healing.
Endure and defy. None shall whisper.
Leave it to me. Synchronization.
One with the sounds. One with the sounds.
Synchronization. Storm, hear my command.
Shadow descends.
Embracing change. Severus!
Be gone. Endure and defy.
Leave it to me.
Oke, good. Aman. Akhirnya
That
terbuka.
thing up ahead. Is it another mechanism?
It seems to have unlocked after we got rid of those holograms. Let's go and have a look.
Satu.
The glowing patterns on that gate. It's a flare crest. Yes, the flare crests have a complex structure, but they can be deciphered with patience. See how each star represents a flare stone? That mechanism we accidentally solved earlier should be one of them. Yes, we still need the other 2 flare stones to open it. Wait. The blood and scales here. It's Jinchi.
Jangan-jangan.
She is likely teetering on the edge of overclocking now. We are running out of time.
Oke, kita harus berlari dengan waktu, boy. Ada pilihan, kita harus cepat. Let's go. Oke lah, terlalu panjang.
The Sentinel situation is worse than we thought. It had already sustained severe injuries when it descended upon Mount. With one of the temporal programs lost, it no longer had the power to restore time.
So the Sentinel protected Hongjin with its power. But it couldn't return things back to normal.
It would seem so. According to their theories, the Sentinel's injury would worsen over time. And if the Sentinel perishes... So the Fraxidus just added a pinch of salt to the already gaping wounds on Mount Firmament. There's nothing we can do. At least that's what it says in these records. Only the Mianlong Chamber can provide temporary relief for the Sentinel. In the end, the Sentinel and a peculiar visitor who is immune to time disruptions would have to come up with a last resort. The Sentinel couldn't be fixed, so they decided to replicate its power onto a resonator. Their experiments resulted in the first chronosorter. No. A chronosorter can only rewind time within a narrow range. It's no match for the Sentinel's immense power. We are getting closer and closer to the truth. 2 more flare stones left. Everything aside, first we must find Jinshi.
Oke, tugas kita mencari Jinshi, boy. Mana itu anak teknik? Apapun lari saja. Harus ditembel, tapi harus berhenti. Bagus, tersangkut.
Leave it to me. One with the sounds. Down with the curtain.
Embracing change. Administering first aid.
A time well spent. Another chronosorter. The second flare stone should be behind this gate. Let's the collapsed gate with this chronosorter.
Sebentar, boy. Ini sulit ini. Iya. Lagi ganti tim 3 di prime. Oke,
1. There is still another photon vault to break. We can't reach it from here. We may need to look around for a better. Vantage point.
kan semacam blok. Oke.
help us open the path to other places. Shall we give it a try? So it turned you into a climb bang. Please use the leap device to eject yourself and crash through that ice wall.
Oke, sorry. Coba.
So it turned you into a climb bang. Please use the leap device to eject yourself and crash through that ice wall.
Geraknya seperti sekali ya ini. Macam mana? Oh ini. Salah, belum sampai. Sampai Pak Haji. Mantap.
Another chrono sorter. Let's give it a try.
Oh ini. Terus aku simpan masuk. Tekan lagi.
The stone slates have formed a path. Now we can bring the tacitite fulminate across the water.
Bisa-bisanya diri kita biasa. Coba lempar ini. Ya. Coba kita muter dahulu masih ada petunjuk. Oh ini ada nyuntor. Sip.
This hidden area may allow us to reach that photon vault.
Cobalah. Kau bangun. Mana? Udah gigit? Trik baru kebuka.
Embrace the oneness.
Ayo, ada kekuatan ya. Ayo, ada kekuatan. Mana ada seorang tanker.
Tell me it. Be right back. Thanks. Over here.
It's worth a try. Stand up. Banish all vice. Leave on! Sucks to be you.
Lagi. Sebelum itu karena lagi biasanya penting senjata. Oke, kita reset lagi boy, jadi Tony Stark. Yes, terbalik. Nah, oke, sisip 1, 2,
go. There's a carrier lift nearby. Perhaps the flare stone is on the floor beneath us. We should be able to find Jinchi soon.
We've reached the carrier lift.
Bawah ya. Nah, kita menuju bawah guys. Let's go. Oke, gua kira di luar hanya biasa, ternyata di sini sangat luar biasa. Ya, intinya reason ya kalian bisa paham nanti seiring berjalannya cerita.
Is that so?
Tak apa-apa. Intinya mereka teka-teki mencari tahu apa yang sebenarnya terjadi
Jinchi.
dan juga mencari Jinchi. Dan sekarang mereka tahu apakah Jinchi mengkontak dia. Nah, ini anak baru muncul ini. Nah, kebiasaan memaksakan diri, ya kan berubah kau nanti jadi naga. Nah, pingsan. You.
Don't worry. Rover is special. The temporal disruption can't hurt him.
But Cheng-Li, you're...
Shh.
Jamek cincong.
I gave my word to be your pawn, and I intend to keep it. As your teacher and courtier, it is only right for me to do so. And let's not forget, without me playing the Wayfinder for Rover, we wouldn't even have him here. Rover has a strong connection to this place. You need his help to resolve Mount Firmament's crisis.
But we already owe Rover a lot.
Wes, jangan bicara itu. Sedikit ini saja aku tetap yang
As we headed toward Mount Firmament, Rover mentioned a strange dream he had. It may have been a flashback of his lost memories. Rover, Jue, and Mount Firmament. There must be some kind of crucial connection between the three.
I see. Rover, I will do everything I can to rescue the Sentinel as soon as possible. And we can finally talk to it in person. It will surely have the answers you want.
Let's cut to the chase. What did you find in Truthseeker's past, Jinchi?
apa yang telah kau temukan.
According to the Court of Savante's records, the Sentinel was already injured upon its arrival. As time passed and its condition worsened, the flow of time became unstable here, causing only the Sentinel's appointed resonator can restore its temporal mandate. Their records indicate a solution. To reverse the rapid aging effect from temporal disruptions, I must deliberately collide with the Sentinel's resonance power during combat, triggering my second resonance awakening. That will enhance my power beyond its limits.
Let's say you can achieve all that. But Jinchi, do you understand what is at stake for yourself?
I understand.
Paham juga.
I share a resonance connection with Jue, but I never took the time to truly get get to know it. I've been blind to its suffering for so long.
Terus semua orang juga beri
Sentinel
cerita.
Jue has been guiding us since the city's founding with its wise words and well-crafted decisions. The temporal disruptions we face are just a side effect of its efforts to without the Sentinel blocking out tacit discords through its time manipulation.
So what do you plan to do, Jinji? If the Sentinel's condition is indeed incurable, nobody knows how far the temporal disruption. Today it's Mount Firmament, but tomorrow it could be all of Jinzhou.
I will. If it truly comes down to that, I'll fulfill Jue's prophecy myself. It's the only way to save Mount Firmament, protect Jinzhou, and help the Sentinel.
Have you thought about the consequences, Jinji? Trying to trigger a second awakening by fighting the Sentinel, it could make you overclock at any moment.
Kan ada resikonya lagi, Bu.
Both know what that means. You could lose your mind forever, or even disintegrate into dust. You don't want to end up like those Chronosorters. On top of that, do you honestly believe you can fight in your current condition? I can see right through your facade, Jinji. You're essentially committing suicide at this point.
You're one to talk, my teacher. I learned from the best. When have you ever backed down from risking your life for what you believe in?
Oh? I don't remember ever teaching you that. We all die eventually, but we need to stay alive as long as we can to achieve more. Jinchi, you must live and inherit the Sentinel's power. Then you can save and protect these people for years to come.
Chengli,
Wes.
Jinchi, I don't intend to stop you. I know you've made up your mind. That's why I brought Rover here.
Nah,
You may have already guessed it. Rover is indeed the hero who fought by our Sentinel's side during Jinzhou's early days. He's also the mysterious visitor spoken of in tales about Mount Firmament. All evidence we've gathered points to this being true. If anyone can help us with the situation at Mount Firmament, it must be Rover.
shit.
thank you, my teacher. Jingshi will keep your words in mind.
Akhirnya.
Lastly, we still don't know for sure how the Fraxidus is keeping our Sentinel trapped. This will determine if you can actually meet it face to face. Yes, it could be any of these scenarios. Lady Shini is already on the case. The cipher key should be inside the stone chamber behind its entrance gate. There is one more flare stone to work out. Let's get
moving. Keep moving. Ini dia El Matadore, sang rover yang bernama Udin Kaneki Minjuneki. Oke, udah dulu. Segala trio boy sepertinya. Oke, let's go. This is it. Sebentar. Wait a minute. Sebelumnya aku ingin melakukan apa ya? Oh iya. go. I can do it. Let's go. Mas, come on. Boom. Shakalaka. Lama. Ya, kecewa. Kecewa berat kita, guys. Ya. Kena tipu nih. But it's okay.
I will be there for everyone
I'm not
as we head
nani-nani.
toward our shared future, leaving the past behind.
I'm not nani-nani. Okay. Let's go lah. Okay, fokus cerita. Let's go. Sedih kali ini. Nah ini.
Look, our last target. On those floating floor tiles. We need a way to restore them.
Oke, betul. Oh. Manual main. Let's go. Dekat ini, aman. Oke, turun. Oke, lanjut. Oke. Oke, bagus. Terakhir, let's go. Ini dia. The last in the wall. Let's go. Yo! Boom! Sick.
It's not working. We may need to follow a specific order.
Sebentar.
Seems like a new discovery.
Itu aku lihat ada tanda-tandanya. Ada tandanya tadi. Sebentar. Kemana ya? Ini ada tanda itu.
The Sentinel never tried to interfere with natural death before. Why did it make an exception?
Ya, gampang. Oh, jangan pingsan dahulu. Oke, bisa-bisanya Jinsi yang ada yang pingsan. Tahan dahulu lah. Janganlah kau pingsan, Jinsi. Nanti lebih bingung yang ada. Oke. Belum. Orang yang tidak bisa mata-mata senjata jarak jauh, boy. Range attack. Nah, akhirnya.
It worked. The court of Savante set many traps here. They must have worked hard to protect Mianlong Chamber.
Dan ini dia yang terakhir. Aku harap tidak ada mus. Nah, taruh lagi nih, boy.
It's a trap! Watch out!
Kan benar, boy. Jeblak tapi kan.
One with the sounds.
Take form.
Kamu kemana? Oh, itu.
Take form.
Now that's a hassle.
Clears the blade.
Krik.
One with the sounds. Sounds come forth.
Take form. Fluorescent shadows.
Swift and resolute. One with the sounds.
Aku sudah tahu itu boy. Biasanya kalau luas seperti itu kan pasti ada yang tidak beres. Aduh. Untung lah. Oke, let's go. Dan terbuka akhirnya. Duh. Ini kok apa itu? Yuh.
I'm done with all 3 flare stones.
Good. Let's head back to the entrance. We should be able to access the cipher key now.
Let's go. Harus pergi sekarang. Let's go ke atas. Ke atas lagi. Let's go. Oke. Kita telah sampai boy.
Remnants of the past.
Sini. Oh lala. Nih. Ngerti boy. Main scan kita. Ya tak asik lah. Sekali bah. Ini checkpointnya tau lah. Nih. Biasaan. Oke. Sekarang apakah ini?
Cipher key.
Oh lala, cipher key-nya di sana pula. Ini yakin nih langsung masuk? Oh. Oke, langsung masuk boy. Ini tak ambil kuncinya. Perasaanku mulai tak enak juga ini. Tiba-tiba ada musuh pula.
Rover, take good care of the cipher key.
Oke, tak dijaga dengan baik.
I'm leaving the rest to you and Jinji.
Iwan dengan
Please don't forget, I am your wayfinder. I journeyed with you into the mountains to ensure you meet up with Jinshi. From this point onward, I will be counting on you both to go and confront the Sentinel. This is all I can do for you. I'm here to guide, not intervene. The path is yours to choose. Not to mention, the Fraxidus has been pestering us non-stop. You'll need someone to keep them at bay.
mereka datang karena aku.
Yes, they've been constantly watching you, interested in your every move. They can never seem to take their eyes off of you.
Kenapa dia berani?
By all means, please carry on without me. As for myself,
Dan pergi seperti itu saja.
I have a more fitting location to make my contributions from.
Ya, mulai.
Oh, speak of the devils.
Kan mulai lagi nih. Bobo tarung lagi boy.
How rude. This is not how we greet people here. Allow me to demonstrate the proper etiquette.
Nah, ya. Dia bang solo boy.
Changli,
Ya, tak ada suara.
Those artificers are nothing to worry about. Don't worry. Chang Li has her plans.
Iya, itu rencana.
I don't believe we will run into more ambushes on the way.
Dia itu senyumannya jakin asem. Senyuman membunuh orang atau biasanya senyum apa ya kalau apa ya? Yang kiri. Ya itu. Itu sudah itu. Oke. Oke, sekaligus explore sedikit lah. Kita kesini boy. Try. Sekaligus mengeksplor sedikit. Ya, buka sedikit map saja.
leave it to me. One with the sounds. One with the sounds.
Oke, let's go. Let's go. I like the movie. I like the movie. Here I come. Movie. I like the movie. Hello, monster. Satu pun. Jangan kayak semacam.
One with the sounds.
Mau kita tuh
Leave it to me.
terus bisa